fire M60. Policeman a fire X. Soldier man, them a fire Elector. Them say too far. Them say too far.
Yes, I am.
Last
Yes, I am. Ladies and gentlemen.
respect. Never.
Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I have to, I don't know what to do. Should I salute? Should I bow? What do I do, sir?
You don't know. I think last year the first, you know.
Yes.
And you don't know the word. Them say it wasn't great. And then when you see the king, the whole world bow to him.
Yes, sir.
So what I want to know where I'm going wrong. I want to know where I'm going wrong if I'm not getting the real teaching.
First of all, before we go any further, I'd just like to thank you for donating your time and energy to join me here on this little platform we have. This is the first, I mean, like I said, I don't really know what to do here because my mind just mad. The hair upon my neck just a pop out. Because I'm speaking to an absolute godfather of the reggae genre. You know, this is not something that people do every day. You see it? So thank you for giving me this opportunity to do so, sir.
Respect.
Yes.
And I'm well honored to do this too.
Thank you. Oh my word. So, so before we get into what we're going to get into, I'd like to say and give you this particular salute. You probably hear this all the time, but I would never forgive myself if I didn't tell you face to face, right?
Yeah.
The reason why I name you the godfather of reggae dancehall music, especially sound system culture, is because any self-respecting sound will have dub plate. You cannot call yourself a sound without Sammy Dread in your box. See?
What I want. Acho.
Yeah.
Me swear I come from the knowledge of it.
Yes.
And you don't know how we see as artists. You say it, you know. We don't like to say that is that. We make the people say it. Because I say the self, we don't take the self. All right.
Mm-hmm. And of course, your vice the tune was that 83, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, 83. No, maybe 82, perhaps, with Channel 1, right?
You're talking the Roadblock?
No, M16.
Oh, the M16. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. And you want, let me tell you the real story of that M16.
We're not complete.
M16 wasn't a tune where I go to the studio and have that lockdown, so when I'm going to record, you know. I wasn't have that in plan of mine. But what happened is like, over there at Jamaica every day, the police, like a day before, I walk and go to the studio because I don't live too far from the studio. I'm there at Greenwich Channel 1. Yeah. And the police, them, they terrorized me the day before. So when we got Channel 1 now, and soldier tell me, say, well, you know what, I want that special, you know. You know, more special. Because remember, me just at the business, you know. If you listen it, me not sing about no sound, nothing. Maybe if me didn't know about special, I would have sing about sound in the song. Yes. But me just sing the song. Like, yeah, special. So I'm saying, all right, I play the rhythm. So the first time the rhythm dropped me here, stand up, stand up, stand up. And me, member for my kids say, music here a DJ, I say, oh, the musical thing called Scandal. But in my reflection at that time, me say, it have to be the great teacher that ride that voice.
Yes, yes.
So I don't know, but I said, it have to be that ride the teacher voice. And right away I said, you know what happened? If me go sing but no rhythm, it have to be this.
Yes.
So right away now, true, me didn't counter with this. So that them like a day before and go over Channel 1, I mean there. I said, what me really ever sing? So I say, you know what? Me gonna make sure drop it the bad boy first. So them have to get to them, man, because I'm a bad boy too. And then, no, I said, well, all right. Police don't have to come in right now. And when the police got them have to get their ratings now. And then the wicked have them all as the soldier man.
Soldier man them.
They shoot it far. And then I do the song and I want to tell you, it's years after I never know the song would have come to be one of my body's tune right now. And it's not a song I go for sing like the album or any rest of song when I go in a studio and say make me sing that. No, it's just right there.
See it?
Just like the roadblock. It's just like because you have to get influence from other artists, you know.
Yes, of course.
The roadblock come from like straightly Bob Marley, it really come from, you know.
Really?
Yeah, because in those time, I was hearing a tune with the king, a tune when I sing and say, 3 o'clock, roadblock. I have to smoke my little herb. Pum pum pum, pa pum 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 pum. Them I mean I listen to them tune all the while at them time there. So when we got the studio now, and from the van play the rhythm, the only thing the run thing come to my brain, I just say, they call me Sammy Dread, last time it was over.
That's where it started. Because
I mean no one. She woke up in that roadblock, son.
Wow. Have we lost? Yeah. All right. So, you know, I was gonna play that song anyway because that is one of my favorite and one of the most classic Sammy Dread song out there. But when you make the speech where you say, as the intro, you say, them call me Sammy Dreadlocks. I believe that was one of the first little catchphrase or punchline that an artist did use that we will always remember that artist for.
Yes,
because Dennis Brown didn't have one.
You're right.
But didn't have one.
That all artists start intermean with them name attraction, you know.
There you go.
If a man was there before me, man have to be there before me. And I say, but the way when I come with that attacking that time, it was something strange. They call me Sammy Dread, love, and the rhythm.
I know that every single dance that I ever went to, a man would just make a quick talk. He wouldn't even have to say who the singer is. Him just stop everything and just play the intro, just that, and the dance mash up before any tune talk. So you have artists, you have a lot of artists out there. Yeah.
Song when sing, commanded.
Yes.
Selector play. Once the selector put it on, the crowd will react.
Yes.
Your song, you're the music thing. I have to watch it as an artist. Your songs them get rocked to the crowds where the songs play.
Yes, indeed.
To a party, you hear all 100 Sammy Dread and the crowd stand up to you. So just give him a Bojo Sanchez and come on. It's just a hype.
Yes.
Time I said go.
Yeah.
So someone go to party. When he go to party, through me hear him song. He vex.
No, well, you know.
You cannot vex. Your song is not for that moment.
Yes.
So you leave it alone.
Most of the time, through the type of artist that you are, and you're in that Godfather level, you're not supposed to play Sammy Dread in every dance. Sammy Dread is usually for the battlefield.
A battlefield artist.
Yes.
Battlefield, you can't go out there and play Sammy Dread when you play a Pinchas.
No, sir.
You can't play a Sammy Dread when you play a Sanchez.
No, go, sir.
I know that Gregory. I know one of them Berries and them artists who are top. You can't play a Sammy Dread. That's not the time for it.
Yes, sir.
You have know when you hold them in certain time, when you hold them now and you start playing Sammy Dread, them in trouble because this is the time. Because you have the rude boy, them know, real man, the rude boy, we don't deal with shooting. We love music. Yes. And go to and say, right, just what? Sugar Mine and Sammy Dread, Barry Brown, and them still a Barry and leave at them selection go on Michael. Them thing, yeah. So, it's just the way.
Yes. Wow.
But you have to know when the music is in. I don't beg to me that part of man say, well, I don't hear a man. Why you can't play? No, leave the man make him select the tune because I enjoy him. He may play a Savage and I don't like it.
I true that.
Yes,
yeah. All right. So, as you know, I'm going to play 5 songs in your career. Yeah. And I'd like the story behind it. So you already gave us the story about how M16 came about. So thank you for that. So that is a free one. Thank you.
and the roadblock.
You haven't given me the story how it came about.
The roadblock inspiration of the Bob Marley, remember?
Okay. Yes, that's true. Boom. All right.
To that.
Yes. All right. So, all right. Let me play a little bit of it so, you know, people can just understand. Yeah, but just... People listen to a sample, right?
I'll deal with you, man.
Yeah, man. Thank you. This is just a sample of the great, and this is one of the biggest songs as well. It's another must-have in a dub plate box for Sammy Dread. Because when you all a dance, if you're a big son, your dance supposed to be roadblock. See it? All right. Yes, sir.
Roadblock.
Yes, sir. All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is tune number 1. For the Godfather of reggae music, Sammy Dread. Hear that tune, yeah.
They call us Sammy. They call us Sammy. And we don't walk. Keep up on me like perfume. And we don't walk. Keep up on me like roadblock. Why? Because when Babylon do it up, they want to beat you up, beat you to the ground, put you behind the world. I'm the one to meet in a roadblock. I'm the one people go in a curfew.
Jesus. So wow. So that tune you voiced with the Hitbound label, right?
Yeah, Channel 1.
Yes. So who exactly were the engineers? I mean, give us. Were you there when the instruments was putting together and everything?
All right. That when I go to studio that day.
Yeah.
I was down at Greenwich Farm because remember now the African girl was
shot
first. Yes.
Shot.
And that's where the name come from, the African girl.
See.
You know, say the Chinaman I hear this voice, and I said, well, how research is that? But sugar them know me because me and them play football every day around the band down and
all right.
Yeah, sugar man is a good goalie, man.
Yes. All right.
We play over ball, and then so me there my farm and me look me see Sugar and one of my best brethren in Pastor, rest in peace, Nabby Dread. Sugar one of Sugar best brethren. I'm selling most of Sugar record. And then so Sugar just come to me and say, hey Sammy, Chinaman I check for you, you know me. I said, the Chinaman, over the Chinaman I check for me. I don't be Chinaman. Man said, man want you, man. And I just come so now that day then I said, I walk go up there. And then I walk because they're too far, Greenwich Farm to Maxfield. Then I walk go up there, just, everybody just a pint. Go in another room, Me I look for Jojo, the man where at the bar. Me not see, when I look at that woman, a lady. And I never know itching, the lady just give me some money. It was like, I don't forget the artist like it. So when I get that like 2,000 Jamaican, that big money just
enough money, yeah.
Rich man. I'm going on a farm now because my parent and I was like Philip Fraser, Peter Rankin as my little brother, and my Lucky DJ, and then Prophet and Rock Taylor, all that did it. And things. So he coming like, no, me rich, no, pocket full up. And so when we go down, you know, and 2 days after me say, you know, me have to go back up in the studio, yeah. I have to go back in the studio because, watch it, we have to go do some more tune, because we want some more money.
Yes,
So, so when we go, you know, tune it off of my part, Sugar mine at my part. So when me in the studio, the rhythm I go so. Where is it? Stamp, stamp, stand up. I mean, I said to myself, you know, we can't do a show. 3 big money, you know, me now and left me. Yeah. Me have to sing something and do something. And the rhythm start playing. I'm all about me, I just still, you know.
I'll sing, Oh.
Yeah. And when the rhythm rolling, from the rhythm rolling, I say, alaga lang, laga lung day. Alaga lang, laga lung day. And the rhythm and the bang. I say, it's today. Maybe for you, and tomorrow maybe for me. I said, who it keep it its mouth shall surely keep it its life. And Sugar and Tony Top say, in this time.
Wow.
And then right now, them bar, you know, the Sugar produce too.
Yes.
So you think him now get him look 1 and 2 Savage and a half of this. Watch me. That was nice, man.
Yeah.
Even when all of those things, we cannot stop talking about the great Sugar.
Yes, of course.
Me there Jamaica, in come and say, gas through the one, I come and foreign. And when me there, me will say, a man flying by England, and I tell me, say, me forgot England the next day. I forgot England. So all my friends say, we don't know the greatest to me. I do every artist is great. But me and that man so tight because I whole song him produced for me.
Yes.
Me up in London and him Lou Lepke, Lou Lepke was one of our
yeah, Lou Lepke, yeah.
I don't know what music thing or music radio. I don't know. You know, we stay Jamaica and the 2 of them start gumble. And we just go in the studio and we just sing a tune say, if me and me I dream had a misunderstanding, we talk it over on the part. And I should have mind up there and sing it. So, you know, that was fun.
Yes.
It was fun. Book of mine.
Nicest time, because from what you're saying, I wasn't there, but I'm seeing the picture of all kinds of unity, different artists, every man just roll, you know? And none of this fight against, you know.
We don't fight against because when it comes now, we can't watch it now. Sugar there, Walton Park Road, you know. You know. But we see Sugar because man, we're active because we there Goodness Farm, all of a sudden we a football match are going. And everybody going at the place. Because see who I blame. Well, look who come out as a goal. No Sugar.
Sugar, yeah.
So, I really don't know, say, at the big time, coming from the countryman, so, thing, turn up.
Yes.
Because you have a tune, me tell man this and them thing I joke, you know, because you have a tune where him sing where a tune say, come down, Natty Dread, come now.
Yes.
That tune there, you know, a goal him a keep, you know.
Scene.
And a Ras take a shot for him, you know. Fly out there. And the man fly out there, all that to them.
See?
Yeah, man.
Wow.
He never loved nothing but goalkeeping, man.
Yeah.
Bread. Yeah, man.
Of course.
Bread.
Well, you know, I always drink to the late Sugar Minot still because he opened the door for so many.
What about?
Yeah, man. And I, you know, so many, and of course, he's an icon. You are an icon, and you've influenced so many that has come true all now. And to hear these stories is just amazing because, you know, somebody like you, you're a walking library of history, you know. And I just wish more of us younger folks would reach out to Uno, the Godfather, them, and talk just so we can learn the game and, you know, learn about Ofawa culture, you know. But,
watch me. Do you know me and Sugar close? Watch it now.
Yeah.
And me infiltrate of a Sugar tune them, you know. I will listen him think, sing, but to the next side.
Yeah.
I don't try to stay by him. So listen to him now when me sing. If me even sing one of him tune and me I interpret him thing and me miss up in a ear to me. He come to me and say, Sammy Dread, you love sing the tune and back with someone. He said, oh, you love sing the tune and back with. I said, no, I'm saying I'm saying me not in the back with, me not follow you to him. They make me laugh. Oh, yeah. I laugh, man. And one night now, me and him there want to show me, I forgot him, man. So I think I was one birthday. Somewhere him there, me and him a party, and he called me. And remember, you know, remember me and him. Remember him have the rough all life, you know. Babylon and mash up your life.
Yes,
and
yes. Yeah.
So when me go up on stage, you hear me start sing. No rough all life. Him not say nothing. He just wait till when he get back to my kind of bad boy, what the fuck? Like if I say about to stop I was come sing bad boy if I sing Babylon. But him not saying, give me the mic. Bad boy if I 60. Yeah, man.
Wow.
Sorry you also roll, man.
Niceness. Love it.
You know what? No care when I sing for him and mess up. He still rate me.
Boom,
and,
yes.
Yeah.
Niceness. Oh, wow. All right. Wow. Woo. I'm gonna play. This was actually the first song I was gonna play, and this was one of the first big one. Them. I believe you voiced it with Linval Thompson, Roots Radix, right?
Yes.
So we're gonna go there. I'm just gonna play a little sample, and then please give us the story behind it. All right. Yes. All right. So boom, ladies and gentlemen, this is the living legend, the Godfather of reggae music and sound system culture, the great Sammy Dread. All right, listen to him, people.
Let's go this girl up on a fashion monkey. How where you are going? How where you are going? You see me on the road, I just may look so sleep. In a me sleepy, you are becoming hero. Say that you fall apart, how where you are going?
Produced by Linval Thompson on the Green Sleeve label.
Yes.
Strong like. Yes.
I remember the label. We had it. It was yellow, and the sleeve had whole heap of artists that drew on the narrators. Wonderful times.
The thing, man. You know the thing, man. I do couple tune with Linval too, you know.
Yes.
Because this is how the thing was. From well, I start to come on the road, and a man here says, sugar, I get two Sammy. The man I want two. The man say, no, Sammy, the artist, I forget so. When we reach around all Joe Gibbs, all a different thing to again to come.
Yeah. That was it. My Princess was the biggest one you did with Joe Gibbs, right?
The one that said, no, that one that was nice, but I think, well, I wouldn't say no to you right now because I usually rated this jacket. I take back that word. But I'm going to tell you which one I think was.
Yeah, please.
The one that said, every time I look in her face, and I see that pretty smile, here I surely know war, a dread long style. I think that was the biggest one.
That was bad. Yeah.
With me and Tapazuki.
Wow. Yes. Tapazuki, yeah.
The reason why I know you said that one, you know, where you love, the rhythm was more stern, yeah. Come and give me your loving girl.
Yeah, it's nice. But the Tapazuki tune, yes.
Yeah.
Not lie. Bad.
Because remember what happened, you know. it a come from, that's me I say, I hold it a thing, because when I go what drug is me and Barrington Leaf, you go up there. You have a youth, you have Errol T, you have Roddy Thomas.
Roddy Thomas,
Yeah, because them man, they mix the tune, them man, they take all 10 hours for mix one tune, I'm on the Errol T. Play with them.
All right,
So when I go up there, the man, I run the rhythm and me hear, tum, 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 tum. I remember Dennis Brown sing a tune and said, I never hurt you badly. I said, no, sir. Every time I look in her face, and you know, come with the car, you have to come good at the done, you know.
Yeah.
At the come good. And top of okay, you know, line it up now. It didn't go good. Then now I'm going, cause really and truly, me never really do a full album for Joe Gibbs, you know.
Okay.
Then when me come do a full album for Joe Gibbs, I have a son when me can't find right now. Rocky. Me used to Rocky Gibbs. I used to be grow still.
See.
I'm a bigger man for them youth.
Ranking Gibbs, okay.
Gibbs, yeah, look what, yeah. Growing my youth. You know. And things. I mean, the all the music business, really a farm. That's all the thing is. Really a farm. I mean, they are 4th Street, Philip Fraser, the East Avenue. And then the most wickedest thing I get, Joe Gibbs. The man live right at 4th Street at the car.
Wow.
A farm. Yes.
I thought he was a big name and a celebrity from morning, so everybody would have known that over there, so Joe Gibbs stay over there. No? Wow.
Don't mess up with females. You could have known the things that go on, you know, when you now get on the big house when you got. When I find out, I say, but Lord, see, that is another man I sing for him, I don't even know.
Wow, yeah.
But it's a cool man.
Yeah.
And I just do them tunes, and I do a couple tunes still, and then you don't know, I go to BAM. Go back on Channel 1, finish up the album.
See, sound system wise, I know you, you did a lot with Channel 1. Was that, what about the other sounds that you sort of, you would sing for through the years of the 80s?
All right, listen up. Because you have to, sometimes I will get an interview and forgot certain thing. Like I remember certain thing now. You're in get it. Originally, when me and Philip Fraser aspire, and even see Michael Prophet.
Yes.
We used to go to a sound and called Zodiac.
Zodiac.
Zodiac, about Walton Park Road. You can skip on the mute there. I think, like, yeah. And Tristan Palmer come up with a label named Black Solidarity.
Yes, you featured on that label a lot, actually. Yeah.
I say the truth with me and Tristan do natural lady and bam.
Yeah.
Tristan has been 15 long time. You think about that? You want it. So we used to go. Me and Philip Fraser now. We used to get up like a morning time. And we say, well, all right. We'll go up Zora. Nice as it could sound up there for Walter Park up in the corner. When the Zora further. And me and Philip Fraser will go there. And we hold mic from morning. We sing to the host and sing back.
Wow.
So that elegant song there was training us.
Yes.
Yeah. We get the training.
Yes.
And then now, in a then time, they say, well, training without music, because we have some rasta where we can't give up on them still. Some rasta from Greenwich Farm, the cornerstone, then come from Ital. When the man they say, well, Sammy Dread was singing, you go, we artists you want to. Because I think I come from far back, you know.
Yes.
I come from the waterfront still, you know.
Okay.
It's a far for me to see that.
See, all right.
And when I drive on the park, and I sing, my man, I tell me, oh, you can't sing Sammy Dread. My friend used to tell me one day, he just the condolence him again, him Rob John, him just pass away with him. I said, oh, you can't sing. That's when me broke out here, Sammy, yo, look, you know, you're supposed to fly. That's what I tell me, you know, because Used to drive and me sing on a man, but what? Then time the Philip raised a record before me still.
See, okay,
Philip a record, me a driver WAF, I'm a worker federal. Right, he mean the music business long time.
Before, yeah.
He might distribute most of the guys them in Jamaica. You don't know this.
Wow.
When them a do record, I was singing it for them producer.
Yeah.
Fraser was one of the man them that doing the distribution. All right. Suppose Philip Fraser was a man there were 8 people.
Yeah.
He want to make us 5, because this is how the music used to go, you know.
Yeah.
The people listen, we do our music. You press 500 copy of Jamaica or 1,000, because 1,000.
Yeah.
Whatever, 200-300 got a record shop down at town. Period.
Yeah.
That got sell. All right now. Them the overseas export. You send 4 copy up in England. You send 4 copy come here, so you got 4 copy to Bermuda. Those are the work Philip Fraser used to do. What about guy don't know that?
Wow.
So if he was a guy who say he was a hated and bad mind, nobody will hear you on that side.
No.
Because him want to put you in that deal. Him want to call them man to take the tally.
Of course.
So them you have love in them long time, you know.
Wow. I didn't know Philip Fraser was that guy.
Listen, man.
Wow.
Philip Fraser, them man work a federal. One of the with Bob Marley being big student and all of them. And that's so Philip used to do a music thing, and then Philip I work with some people, you know, in a film town here, you know. A brother named Bertrand Brown, that's Freedom Sound. That's so. So when me and Philip are par now, me and Philip, Philip them I sing before me.
Yes.
I'm there WAF. But what, me go around them, me go around the great Chinasime. Me know Santa, Earl Zero, most of the musicians them. Me pass, not the young one them. But
the bigger man them, yeah.
Yes, but me know what about them still. So when me used to say, well, all right, bam, come from work, I'm gonna go check Fraser. Me used to go at East Avenue. So now there's a Fraser there with all like Rasta them. So, yes, so Sammy Dread like a par now, them Rasta don't eat meat.
Yes.
The man them say, oh, can't watch it now. You have Barrington leave you out that thing there. You have Barrington leave you out that road there.
Yeah.
You have Liverpool top there. Cause this is how the thing, you know. Remember now, Michael Prophet, Sammy Dread, Philip Fraser, rap farm artists.
Yes.
Little John, Barrington Levy, call it 2 Mile artists. So up on top there, so when now them want the rest them say, no sir, you don't have to go to know. You don't have to run a morning time. How the voice of it did it. You don't have to run a morning time. Strictly porridge.
Yeah.
Got thing out of the vineyard. That Peter Rankin and General Lucky they do a tune, so not the part of the vineyard. Yeah, I tune say not the part of the vineyard. The Peter Rankin and General Lucky are them are the 2 first DJ they do a tune called through the rest of them from the corner store.
Yes.
And then now, when all of them time, you know, and me ground, you know, Philip Fraser them used to have a jukebox in the little bar on the corner. So when we're going, you know, you could have punch version.
Yeah.
You're going there, you know, you have some bad tune in there. But you have them time in Jamaica, you have the version. So
in a jukebox?
Yeah. How you mean?
I didn't know
jukebox in Jamaica. The tune
version in the jukebox.
The tune, if you hear Night Nurse, the version did it.
Wow.
If you hear this a tune of the version did it. So what we used to do is go in there, punch the version, and sing by the version.
Wow.
How about you, man? Bar mash up, man. We not drop.
Yo, King man, it's just like I said, you're painting this picture for me. I wasn't there, but I'm seeing it. And it's like the vibes in a bar or wherever these jukeboxes were. Must have did nice. You just put in a little thing and then the rhythm come through and then man just vibe. Wow.
Yeah, I have some youth, silver and white, look at watch it. Remember them before the disco 45 come in. Yeah, get the price and the rhythm.
Yes.
I get the voice and I read it. It depends on who I'm about. Down at Jamaica and I'm fine with it. In this rubber dub, you get.
Wow.
So them set it up that you have the version on the back of the 45.
Wow.
So we used to go in there now, punch the tune where we love and sing on the version. We are trying to find some tune. So, and this is how even the African girl come.
See.
Because you have a tune where I love, I don't remember who sing that tune, but I think it was a group or one guy. I used to hear this tune, Shooter One.
Mm-hmm.
I hear these guys say, oh.
Yeah.
Yeah. Pick up the pieces, don't throw it away.
I can't remember the group, but I know the song. Big song.
Remember,
yeah.
I'm a young youth. I them took that down in the 70s. 75, yes. Come on. Russes are some, I can't get the name. Wow. But that tune and those artists was man favorite singer.
Yes.
So when I hear the rhythm, I contract to myself. I listen music still enough.
Yes.
I listen to all the songs that was really what I was hearing.
Yes.
I was hearing all these songs, I hear culture, lovers, all kind of thing. But really, I never hear a split say African girl.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
To me.
Yes.
So when me sing that, so when you read my play it, there's a tum, 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 tum. And the idea just come up, me just say, I see the African girl in my dream first night. I love her so Africa. It's when that tune jump, watch me. When that tune come, I want tune me up.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, what do you man? Before me at that, we come to me, I show you, because we come way back. We come right back. I remember, so we don't come back, so we never start this, you know.
Of course, of course, of course.
So, what we do, we come way back to that, to the African girl.
Mm-hmm.
So, when we come to know and do the African girl now, and as me I tell you, we got to chat a whole heap of tribulation, man.
Wow.
Watch you know. You see, it's too much talk. You see, the first day we go do this tune now.
Mm-hmm.
The first day we go do this tune now, studio time I run.
Yeah.
And then, all of a sudden, studio time run out. Sammy can't work.
Mm-hmm.
So me have to go ahead. But me know the man in my work the next day. So me gone back up at studio. When we there at studio, because nobody not interested in really me still, you know, because I would this little man here. Although them now put me down still. Because me not no tune.
Yeah,
early. I'm a debate, me gonna make it, me debate. Whatever them call it. Me gonna do it now. So when we go up there, studio time I go on. When it's like 2, 3 o'clock, you know what? Power shortage, Channel 1.
Wow.
That again. That's a setback again.
Next setback, yeah.
The next day, you know, we got a studio now. The man them say, I saw me, I work to post today. Because too much tribulation thing. Every time we work, run out that time. But no, sir. So when we're going, it was Full Load from Soul Syndicate Band. Full Load. You remember Full Load?
I know the people, you know, I know the music, but not the musicians in them time there, still.
All right. It was like, it was Sheena Simit and Gitz, Santa Davis and drum. So when I go in the studio now and them say, well, all right, which song you ever sing? Them think I was gonna sing and them play a tune. Me don't have my thing.
From yeah.
I don't have my thing set because if me didn't know my tune, me have it worse. That's anything me sing, me know me couldn't miss it. This one song.
Yes.
So when we go in the studio now and the man, what you gonna sing? I'm gonna tell him I want the beat. You know the tune I go so tum tu 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 tu. I'm full go so boom tu 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 tu. And the man tell me, sounds sweet, man.
No, I don't mean to cut you, but Jatty in the live, him say the Royals. That was a group. That was the name of the group that sing that tune there. The Royals.
Yeah.
Boom.
And this day I'm a favorite tune. So when I say play the tune and the man two. Cause me didn't love me. I was gonna put, but I said no. Me I come with that because what I like with the Royals was it's that.
Yeah. Build up the tune.
Yeah, it was something that hurt. So I said, no, man. I'm going to sing a tune, but I'm not going to go deep like I'm deep. I'm going to go to a lover's rock.
It was a beautiful song.
That's how the song comes.
Yes. Wow. Well, that's another freebie. All right. What I think it's best, because we don't have that long left in this session before we get kicked out. So we're going to log out and come back in for the next part, all right?
All right, do that.
Thank you so much for being with us. Ladies and gentlemen, This is the living legend. You people don't have no idea. This man, God love him so much, you know. Anyway, this is the living legend that is Sammy Dread, Godfather of reggae music and sound system culture, right? I dare anybody to argue. So we're going to come out and come back in. So yes, see you in a minute, sir. Thank you very much.
Tell about some more song.
Yeah, of course, please. All right, boom. Let's
I will never, girl, take a girl like you, yes.
Memory.
Yes, sir. So that was actually the third song I was gonna play. Or I am still gonna play it because it's one of my favorites. I love this tune. Some wicked piece of tune.
I know. What happened, you know?
Yeah.
What happened when I got dance, when the African girl was there?
Yeah.
As me tell you, say, remember the one tune I come.
Yes.
That tune come fast. Because, you know, when in at that time.
Yes.
And them used to play the rhythm, and Leroy Smart sing a tune named Darling Still Hang On.
Yes. He did. Yes.
All right. Listen this one here good. Leroy Smart voice a tune, Darling Still Hang On. And Michael Prophet sing a tune named Superstar. That's tune there.
Yes.
Superstar. That one there. Then when me sing African Girl.
Yeah.
Watch me. You see night when we're in the studio, cause Tubbs make me get my first tune, you know.
Yeah.
When them listen about the whole session, when him listen Michael Prophet, and him listen Leroy Smart, and him listen Sammy Dread, Tubbs come around and say, who sing this one? That time me not name Sammy Dread yet. Me name Sammy. Tubbs say, who sing this one? And Dan, me as a producer, said, Sammy. So he said, Tubbs says, at that time singing you for know. And Tubbs look at him and said, cut this stamper. Cut this stamper. And that's how my name come.
See.
And I saw the dread go on. Because my dread did not come. And I said, Sammy Dread.
Yeah.
And the reason why I said Sammy Dread cannot change as me go to my grave with that. As long as if the year them even drop off on my tongue ballad, I still Sammy Dread for life.
Yes.
What a man dread and cut off, but me make sure take it a different way.
Of course.
That's why I have a tune say, my ambition is my dreadlock. But them don't understand the gravity of what I say.
Wow. Thank you for clearing that one. Wow.
Yeah, man.
Amazing.
So amazing. And that's where it come from now. So that tune where you hear me sing now.
Yeah.
Used to go to dance them all the while, and other artists I sing, and I say, you know, I never take a woman, because I used to have it on a different rhythm, and mostly a studio one rhythm.
Yeah.
You used to have on pam pam tum pam pam tum pam pam pam.
Yeah.
No, different, not that one there, different like studio one. I should have any tune here should have one play. About 3 different licks.
Oh yeah, all right, yeah, I believe you now, yeah.
So that one women sing, because even when it come to when Sugar Man at the lick, but the same rhythm, what we do, I was Sugar Man at sing that for what's going on.
Yes,
right there. So when that tune come now, I'm going to studio now, we used to do the dance and then play it and like a freestyle. Because I don't sing the African girl already.
Yes.
So through me and tell her, I say, well, you're an African girl. But I come back and tell her, I say, listen, I never take a woman who don't say she love. I never take a girl like you. Come here and tell her, I say, you must be good to me. You must be nice to me. You must be intelligent to me. Tum, 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 tum. You're the girl that I love. You're the girl that I want. You're the girl I love from the start. You know them, now they don't play it now. The first time I think I sing it like don't play it. I think if I not lie, because you know Rasta we try to get that Gemini.
Oh,
may I sing like me I say I say on my way and together. Tum tu 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 tum tu, because some start fresh at them now.
Yeah.
On my way and to Gemini. I buck up and I youth them call him Archie. Into me, Archie play James. And then now me go carry guitar now, because me go do it for Papa Roots.
Sing, yes.
When Danny Dread I play Papa Roots, you know, me and him was a farmer now. So me go back and say, on my way and to honey God, I buck up and I youth them call him Danny Dread. Them They told me Danny Dread play Papa Roots. So then now the thing now and it start come down. Then now when it come to now, because I talk about the sound when we sing pan now, because we not carry too far, we soon come out that thing. You know the thing go now. When we are sing, as we said, Zodiac, and it come, the sound them now, what you have a little sound from our Greenwich fan, then call it echo vibration.
Echo vibration.
Well, that little sound there, you little but the Talawa is a play. You have some other little song where we used to sing, but I don't name it, but you have that the up thing, you know.
Yeah.
When low range, you know, as far as parent be.
Wow.
We are sing pan a song named Virgo.
Yes.
Virgo was first song. It's like we have a week, we have a word.
So from Zodiac to Gemini, Virgo, we're seeing all of this.
Zodiac was like a song where we go there and just sing, like was rehearsing.
Scene,
I never said really go to play everything. We are talking the one that went over with our country.
Scene, yeah.
Yes. So me and Ranger now was like every weekend anyway the sound I go.
Yes.
We do step on the flyers. Once we reach it dance.
Boom, yeah.
I saw one thing set up. Well, Ranger go down so around money, you know, you stop it. I was like, bam, I was going our country. So Virgo was one of the man. Sing a Papa Roots a lot. Papa Roots, you sing a Papa Roots a lot. Jaro and thing. Jaro too. And still, although them say them rate Sammy Dread as one of Jaro artists, I never get to sing a Jaro as much as I did sing, you know.
Really?
What happened? What happened is like this. When I was coming to America,
yeah,
the boss himself, Owen Jaro,
Mr. Harper,
was my friend.
Scene,
In a really good, and I hear about the Sammy Dread and thing and the Ranger. So He just decide one day, me say, you know, come go from my yard there, you know. Guys like him know me, somebody tell boy, Sammy, I go here for, you know. But him intention, him did like him did know what he was doing.
See it.
Yeah, we go up in the hill, level by Heineken, wherever you want, drink music, start play music, I ring. After half, I think him was a fool, and just set up a reel to reel. But what happened? I was good to the studio one.
See it,
For you play, once me sing on the rhythm, it come like some lady rhythm. Because I study the change. Me know, it's like for the music, I said, no, it's supposed to change at this time.
yes.
If it don't change at this time, it's supposed to be. And most of the time, I'm correct.
See it,
That's why I could have sing on most of the rhythm, because me can't write music. I mean, music, the way how camera, you get to the put up. If you come show me that, me not done fool, me don't even know what that is. You understand? So so when it comes to now, bam, all of them look a sound, you know, you have a sound when you Stereophonic.
Stereophonic, yeah.
That sound that give me whole by elevation too. Into my time, and my time I come in Stereophonic with Jen. Oh, I'm Madu, not even you.
You Madu. Oh, just
you are my friend now. Go sit down. That time you. I think but you go sit down. I'm Madu, me and David.
Madu. Yes, sir.
I'm glad. Try it. Where I go sing and thing and then they Philip Fraser. At the time you did it still. And me and Philip Fraser. What happened now where Echo do? Me da go at the dance and me da sing. And this, when you tell man this, them don't even know. This is how most of the music then come.
Yes.
Most of the music them never just made that way. At the dance.
Yes.
Artists go to dance and sing. Like, me no want chorus. I read upon people worldwide. And and a foolishness, because if a foolish tune not talk, but you know what I talk.
Yeah.
Out. But when he sing it and it hit to the crowd, and go back the next night and it hit to the crowd.
Then you know.
So this is it how it used to go. When I go to dance and I sing certain tune, because I used to sing Loving You Girl. Long time I sing that at Jamaica, though a Venezuela I'm sing that tune. I sing that long time. Loving You. And if you hear me sing it on the rhythm,
different.
And me make the rhythm.
Yes.
So me lock on the rhythm.
Wow.
So when me go now and what happen now, you should go a surf on it and me sing and them thing they take the music.
Yeah.
So any one of them were bad, because producer no idiot. Any bad Sammy Dread I it more cut. If they want to good man, but I know are those vibes.
Yeah.
So when they come now and Madu and the crew and Flock Big John them. When they come channel one, they always come with the tape of Sammy Dread. And then cut it on dub.
See.
So you know what happen now. And them have all like dub play, no man now, no dub play on them.
See.
So how you can play dub, where you get it from? Even myself, I say, well, yeah man to me. Boy, Sammy Dread, you know, so me hear 4 pieces of Sammy Dread last night. Mr. Lie, man, you can't tell me that. Which part you hear that? Who me sing them? Man say, yeah, me can't have one tune and you hear 4 pieces of Sammy Dread. Something wrong. And it's style of music at the dance, although me have the one tune, me have to find lyrics for rhythm. If you want to stand up in the crew, me have to find lyrics. Some music have to find lyrics. And that's how it does. And then from there, so now, Philip Fraser always tell me, say, boy, if you ever come a panic, man, you don't know how tough you think out there, Sammy, man. I mean, I say.
See.
And if it's that, he wasn't a man that liked to go out, Fraser,
Okay.
No,
so
he was.
Even though he was the man that was pushing all the music, he didn't like to go out?
Like that. That me have a certain movement.
Wow. Okay.
So when him tell me, no, I didn't go out now. And me go find out, say, yes, Sammy, you have 2, 3 Sammy are playing a dance now? No, your artist now. You gotta turn up anyway. Okay, you want to hear it for the night.
Yes, sir.
Here, if you don't hear. And words you're going to hear because you didn't know. You're going to sing.
Yes.
Because the selector kind of a youth name call him Tony Virgo, man. You know, Tony Virgo back in those time.
Okay.
Wicked selector. Wicked selector.
I mean, I'm listening to everything you're saying, and some of the things I can't imagine a world where Sammy Dread I walk with Danny Dread I select tune and Sammy Dread together just a chop up sound. That's crazy.
See, the joke is this, you know.
Wow.
Danny Dread live 3rd Street and me live at 4th Street.
Wow. When
Danny Dread start to play a song,
yeah,
as it's his brother sound him start off of. When Tapazuki start to DJ, that's the sound Tapazuki make him name off a sound. A sound named Iosis. Danny Dread, brother own that sound, Iosis, from 3rd Street. That's how him start him career.
Yeah.
With an next selector, I think was in cousin to a next Dread name, Owen Dread.
Wow.
I remember one time them used to play People's Choice together from Spanish.
People's Choice, yes. Wow.
And that's how Tapazuki was right there too. Because that's how Tapa get filmed. And then Tapa do tune. Because all the tune Tapazuki do where man don't even know how him do it.
Of course.
Yeah, because one of Tapa first wicked tune is a tune where the tune goes so. Pa dum pam boom pam pa dum pam boom pam boom pam boom pam boom pam boom pam boom pam. One of them first seat, I think my because we used to know a guy named Archie. Tapa make this tune off of this dread, you know.
Same.
A Ross, you know. Yeah, Archie are going to find out. Ride over bike and in 50 clean, you know. And the whole already have fun. So when the Ross come and dance, the man clean, you know. So Tapa hear the tune man just say, like years ago, Archie the red nose ring, ding. Do you remember that tune?
Yeah, man. Tapazuki, yeah. Wow.
And from there, so now, and then Zuki come now and then he come with big tune like with I think Ori Sandy.
Yes, Ori Sandy, yeah.
Oh, that tune there. If we not lie, yaga, yo, then them things they start step up. And them things start turn up. And you don't know him. Yeah.
Yo.
Mad.
Father Dread, it's like you say some of the tune them and I'm like, and then as soon as you go in at the rhythm and rhythm, I'm like, oh yeah, that song. Wow, Harrison. Okay. Woo! Wow.
When talk about DJ, man. When it mute before it dance on. And you know, when the DJ come, the dance different. Because people young girl, all them little things they carry young too. So really, yes. And the man was like, ta 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 ta. And ta 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 ta. My theme style.
Wow.
And so, and them man to me was even like, well, that's a year or whatever in the business before me still. All for the artists in the business, like Alumi and Empire, them I sing before me still. My little brother do music before me.
Yes, wow.
Peter Rankin them. Everybody, me wasn't the only man with at the underdog, you know. So that's why the biggest drop this now. I love football.
Yeah. Well, yeah, you play, yeah.
I'm used to play and watch it now. You know, them used to have a thing called Corner League and we have a Major League and thing called Big. This is how it's my career now. And I train as a baller. I train as a baller, you know.
Yeah.
When it comes to the time for them say, well, all right, give Sammy and pick, try him out. Them bench me. Just say, all right. I say, I'm going to take it there. Bench me have 18 see. So that's all right. We're come for singing. And
so,
for sing.
That's mad. So imagine if you did are the greatest baller in a Jamaica. You're telling me that if you are the greatest baller at Jamaica, there would be no Sammy Dread a sing song.
No.
Wow.
Like the man, if them did make me like them bench me, you know, cause them down there, you know.
Wow.
I grew up with most of the great baller them still, you know.
Yeah.
I never lose them man, I'm a teacher still, you know, and Romito, all of them man, the boys stone. When they say the color red and thing, and when a garden and boys don't play, whatever league, it's nice. Yeah. Then down there, I just nice thing, you know, man, yeah. Football.
Of course.
Ball MTG, and then man I say, ball MBT, you know what I mean?
Yeah, man. The days of Skilka, right?
Yeah, the days of code and man like Herbert Dale Garden.
Wow.
Evan Lewis.
Wow.
Those was the days.
Woo! Man, I call up some name.
And man, Archie Reed. Archie Reed, who play Link.
Wow.
Yeah, Archie Reed, that man there. And the Indian. When they call a red line up, man. Yeah, man.
Wow. But, so, you know, I just would like to thank you for sharing this history with us because I've checked out all of your interviews on YouTube when I was doing my homework because I didn't want to ask no question was out there already.
Yeah.
But this right here, you're giving us some different history, which I love. So thank you, and I really appreciate it.
I mean, like that.
Uh-oh.
That's why I say these things because I know certain that I don't say these things.
Yes, man. So I'm so glad you chose to share it with us. Well, because we did obviously I played the rhythm, but I didn't play the actual song of you know, I never take a woman.
Yeah.
So I'm just gonna play a little bit of it, and then we'll go on to the next one. All right.
All right.
Because I need people to hear the bad lyrical content and the soulful singing voice of the living legend that is Sammy Dread. All right. So.
All right.
Yes, all right. Boom. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is Sammy Dread. I Never Take a Woman. Roots Tradition was a record label voice in 1982. So here we go, folks. I will I'll never take a girl like you. Yeah, you must be good to me. You must be nice to me. You must be intelligent to me, girl. You're the girl that I love. You're the girl that I want. You're the girl I love from the Lord, girl. For every little thing I told you, girl, you said it was untrue. That's why I won't out on you. You know what? We don't want to play the whole song because we were there for 2 days for the rhythm there. Wow.
What's your joke, you know?
I love it.
It's just, I know you love it, and the sweetest. Me and my daughter there. I'm a rock. So when I come to that, when a part they come and I say that's why you walk out and you hear me. And that's when I do your mother. What is that joke? Hey, I want to buy history, man. You remember when them lick over Philip Fraser, I Never Let Her Go?
Yes, bad song. Yeah.
I will never.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
All right. Me did get piece of the rhythm, you know. And my one is with the horns.
Yes.
Because, what about my, you see, the children name Pain.
Uh-huh.
Brigadier Pain.
Yeah. Yeah. Uh-huh.
My version that the DJ banning and Pain, you know.
Oh.
What may I say?
Crazy, because I haven't heard your one. I know the Brigadier song you talk about pain, but I did not. Wow.
I love and not another. Same rhythm. That's what the aunt hear my sing pan.
Yeah.
I first sing on the aunts.
Wow. I'm just reading something that Empress Deandra
Yes.
just yeah, man, big it. Wow, okay. Wow. Thank you for clearing that one up. That's
Yeah.
Deandra, you're going wicked still. All right. So
I hold by many modes in my business, man.
Of course, of course. The next one I'm gonna go to, I don't know the year this one vice.
Let me
but
see.
I know the record label was a Bebo record label.
Okay.
White label.
Like I say, if I can't say the tune before, I don't walk away from it.
Boom. I hate that.
Let me
because, yeah, man. I mean, on the Bebo label, we have all of the heavyweights on the label. It wasn't exactly the biggest label in the world, but you have Greg Reddy on it, Mike Carl Palmer, Carlton Livingston, Al Campbell,
Bebo,
yeah.
Bebo was the man, yeah.
Yes.
In America, he was the man.
So it was America thing.
Yeah, it's America.
So this is when you had gone and left Jamaica. So we're talking what?
From America.
Scene.
This around maybe 82, 83, if I'm not lying.
Scene.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
So wait a minute. So
Carlton Livingston too.
Yes, of course. Because a lot of times when I see your name on a label, all of these names will always come up. You know, so I know I say, you know what I mean? The unity that was with you lot. Yeah,
what I would grow.
Yeah. And singing background vocals, you can hear certain man in the next man tune. So, yeah.
Carlton, I have tune where if I don't tell you, I have tune where Mighty Diamonds with background for me too.
Wow. So, is it accurate to say that you were one of the first ones to go over to migrate down to New York to pave the way for the rest of artists to come out there?
No, all right. No, well, all right. What I would say, well, all right, like, well, stay. Like, overstay and try to make, well, all right. I would have said that because I have more artists would have come and go before me.
Okay.
Yeah, you have other artists that come and go, but as what you said, I pick up and go back, way back. I said, well, all right. I would have said yes for come and
stay.
I'm being here because most of them, I almost been here almost 40 years.
Yeah, yeah.
I don't think a lot of them is here like that.
Yeah, I don't know. No.
Them would have to come up and show me that.
Yeah.
And what happened now, what the Transformer did do, what I did have a record store.
Scene.
Yeah, I have a record store in that time. And in those times, you'd have a set of youth, a group named the Fat Boys.
Yes.
In that, I think 82, 83, them give me a good recognition. Yeah, because they do a reggae version and was talking about the man greatest from Jamaica. And when I heard this record, I was saying to myself, no, these guys are overdoing it. Because when them put my name at that part of the game in the song, I said, that's how they see me.
Wow.
Because what happened, and they do all the video because when I see my friends, some people, first time I see my friend Johnny Clark said, I'm not seeing a movie, man.
Sammy Dread, movie star.
Movie star, because my heart are right, you know. I hope a man in the video, I have Lone Ranger, I have Mikey Johnson, a lot of man with Rome me make. Lee and Cliff, all of them me make.
Yes.
Yeah, come fulfill in the video. Because what happened, me never know about this song. It's just like somebody said, you know, hear this song with these rappers talking about you, man. I said, where the hell these rappers don't know about me? Who is me? Who is me?
Yeah.
But One day, you know, a man said, no, you like them, they say like, them gone and primo hit or premiere it, whatever.
Yeah.
And the premiere of the song was coming on 2020. I said, 2020, one of the biggest stations in America. 2020, it will come. Them say, yes, because they previewed them. Said 2020, Fat Boy, Bam Bam, new release track, Bam Bam.
The and Fat Boys, and this is, we're talking early 80s. You said 83, right?
It's 283, yes, them partners.
Wow.
And then that time we don't do the video yet.
Yes.
I think we'll do the video after, when I hear the song. They come and look for me. So I hear them, the song introduced, and I'm listening. And then when one of the rappers says that, like him, I say, and then this plantation, I tell you about Jamaica. And this prime, I recognize the man, them out there, like him, that's a Marcus Gary, but I know Marcus Gary, but I ain't sure I know. Inside the dedication, them said the first man we recognize from out there, and it's Bob Marley. But the reason why Bob Marley wasn't, maybe him not get the money, and have to give him up money, for him coming at that flame.
Of course.
Bob Marley name. Got Bob Marley in the video. A couple grand.
Yeah, of course.
All right, now, me don't know nothing. Me just love to know so when me go do a video, me don't know if me did forget him a million. But I'm just happy for this opportunity.
And that's how you turn movie star.
All right, no. Yeah. First again, me going to turn movie star in the eyes of the American now. So, it's like him say, and what like him said, there are many a man, like many guys from this plantation, many artists, like all the world artists from Jamaica.
Yeah.
But I have to say, one of these men, the great, like him I said, the greatest one of them say, Bob Marley. First name, he called. And I was listening. Then the second name, and him said, and one of the next one, and one of these guys, is Sammy Dread. I said to myself, I no, I want to beat that touch and money billions. You know, I swear to God.
Yeah, well, doesn't surprise me.
But this is what they're thinking, and that was the lock-in.
Yeah.
They were hearing me more, like I think, into the reggae around them in America.
Yes.
So what happened?
Wow.
The next man name they called was Sassafras.
Wow.
The DJ. They call Bunny Raiders and thing name in it, but just to show you all those three. That's to say, we was the three guys and they was riding.
Yes, of course.
Yeah, you could have seen Sassafras. And they asked that Sassafras, and it was my ass. But I don't know nothing about only no donkey rolling down the road. So I go to that little one right there.
Wow. Amazing.
Yeah, right, them thing. I don't know nothing about it.
Wow.
And then the video was just that. Bam.
Yeah. So, I mean, because in them time that to be, I mean, Bob Marley was already gone. He was international. Biggest thing ever.
When you come to America,
yeah,
him are the biggest man. And our man don't want to recognize this. When we come here in 1979, 81, the two biggest men in America, internationally, Bob Marley in a glass case to himself. Nobody can touch film terms. It done dead.
Yeah, that done. Yeah.
Dead man that. Listen to me. Number one DJ from Jamaica was King Yellow.
Yes, he was.
Anywhere I go and travel, I never hear them talk about another artist. All they have, you know, hell Yellow. And when Yellow come to America those time, we black, you couldn't even get to the show.
Wow.
It's sold out before we even hear the show them when I'm doing a Manhattan.
Wow.
Yellow and Dangerous DJ.
So Yellowman is also, I've seen Yellowman's name on this Bebo label as well. So big thing.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yellowman, yeah. Watch me. When Yellow come here, You got to show. We're not about white, black, and but we're just showing black. For you, for God as a color, you can't get in white people lock it up because
wow.
When you go to white people's house, I hear they talk about.
Wow.
What does somebody about Sammy? No. I can yell out zungo 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 zing.
Of course, yeah.
I'm getting married in the morning. Well, to the right.
Wow.
Yeah. So you put it that I can yell out. So me hear man talk about, oh, you did it. No. Yellow.
Yellow. Yes.
You know. But things and time change. Because
yeah.
Comes and go.
Of course. However, I mean, for the history that people like you, the foundation artists, them set, even though things and times change, the history and the legacy that you have doesn't change. Because like I said, you can't hear a decent sound clash in them last days, yeah, without hearing Sammy Dread in the dance. You have to hear the Sammy Dread tune them.
I want to tell you come like I know me I sing more dumb.
Of course.
Because like the younger you them know because as me tell you man, when me come to England there and come do my little first tour, me and Tony Tough and thing. Them I think them the widow like me no want to lie as him, like Huddersfield, Manchester, coming Birmingham, coming back to London.
Yeah.
Remember that's the first time you know about snow in England.
Yeah.
Yes. Cause when we go to England, the night we go to England and it's a plane and go on, and all of a sudden at the first me see people pray so as me and the Rasta. This is how everybody different. Bam, the plane start descend. All of a sudden, something no Muslim. Me never know about Muslim or Jew, but me hear all kind of same thing up there. But me just start worry. I said, what the hell is going on? All of a sudden, plane back on course. So when the air hostess come around back, she said, guys, you okay? I said, everything kind of fine. She said, you want something to drink? I said, lady, you having a white rum? I get you something strong. I said, that's what I want. When I drink, I don't go to sleep. I said, I don't want to know nothing. When I reach a Heathrow, they have to wake me up. And, I mean, the plane is on the ground. And then when I look out there, I say, you know, England stay foggy.
Yeah.
England damp. Because I spend around a year in London, you know.
Okay.
Like dampy and thing, and I come out and so I never see no snow. Because when I there in America, I never see no snow.
Really? Even in New York?
I ain't never first see snow.
Wow, all right. Okay.
And it's a surprising thing.
Wow.
I think me have left it to Anthony Tough, whatever you did that this and that. So, but now we didn't know and get up in the morning over there in London and we don't know, you know, Jamaican love people out, you know, to see what going on, you know. We don't know which one of them people out and say, what the rat did I go on here? Oh, white. Oh, what go on? Because at first, when we look at man, you don't know, it's snow. It says snow.
I want that.
That's the first time you know that.
Wow.
First time you know snow.
That's mad. Okay, well, again, I can't express my gratitude for you to sharing this exclusive history on, you know, with my little, but you know, my little forum here, because as I said, you know, it's rare that somebody in my generation gets to talk with a man like you, to just sit at the feet of one of the legends, to just sit down and hear some history and hear some story, because it's a lot of what you're saying is very inspiring, and a lot of what you're saying, it puts us into, you know, it's like a time machine. It takes us to those times, you know. Wow.
The first man, yeah, the truth. The first man run me out of the studio was Alton Ellis, you know.
Alton Ellis. Wow.
It's not saying run me like this. Me got his studio. Me got his studio because you know one time you used to have a guitarist from over Trench Sound. Then call him Gimme Gimme. Him play for Alton. One of the wickedest guitar. Guitarist me ever know.
Wow, okay. Gimme Gimme.
And so me use anywhere I go, me have the vibes. Anywhere I go with the guitar, me always there behind him. I follow him.
See.
So if I got same place I tell you Philip Fraser used to work out of Federal. Remember now, you know, it's around an hour or 2 hours to walk we have to do, you know.
Yeah.
Because we are walk from in a Trench Town to 2 miles.
Yeah.
And I'm here, I walk. And I'm having guitar, and I say, Sammy, I have a session we can play. I don't know all the time I play with.
Wow,
So when because me tell a man, the first, me that studio when, I think when I think that tune when me mess up, the tune will say, the man him sister sing it, that tune say, I've got love.
Him and Hortense, right? Yeah.
Yeah. It squeeze, it makes no riot if you love it, play cool. But that's true when that I make.
Wow.
So that what you know, them in there, I sing. So me outside, and I'm playing outside. I mean, I never know when I go strong with something. I'll tell you this something that he is. And not come on, take him out. No, he can't come out of no studio. And I'm going to walk one Trench Town. I'm going to do the record. But what? The Alton sister did key. Artens. Yeah, Artens.
Yes.
Yeah, him sister.
Yes, the sister. Yeah, Hortense. Yes.
And I was even key before even him.
Really?
Like even key because I remember when me a little boy, you know, me used to live out at 2 miles. And she used to live up the lane, you know. We used to go, because she have a lot of kids, you know.
Okay.
And we used to go look for her and she'd have sent. Then time we know about, that we're not Rasta yet. We are talking about chicken back and rice and white rice and things. I all about them things that me eat from her and she was, so she know me.
Yeah,
yeah. She know me, she never know me that son. When she find out, say, it's the same thing with Wayne Smith. Same thing with Wayne Smith. When she find out Wayne I sing, she couldn't believe. Because she live up the lane where me and Wayne Smith go to school. The Spanish Town Road. And me and Wayne Smith go to school at the corner. And she live up the lane. When me bus, Wayne Smith don't know me. When Wayne Smith bus, me don't know Wayne Smith.
Wow. Wow.
Yeah. And New York with that.
Yeah.
I want about history, man. Because they must tell me the same thing, you know. When Wayne Smith bus, him don't know me, and when he bus, me don't know. I in a party, America.
Yeah.
I'm going to come and say, see Wayne Smith here. And I'm going to say, Sammy Dread.
That's a joke, man. Wow.
What's that joke? You're a joke on this. Bus now. I want a fast bus in DG. Fastest bus in DG. Me think, me see. All right. Me there Jamaica. I'm going to country. That time the first time I meet Demas. Junior Demas.
Yes.
I when me meet Demas, you know me just a fly down. You know rat, because we clean. All night leather, 100-degree rubber. Yep.
In big Jamaica.
I'm here van leather. But I don't like country part, but gone, because I real part, because me I drive. Because you know, for in our road. So, bam, now, Peter Rankin and Lucky at them say, you have a DJ down in the country. We're going to meet him. I'm around none of the demons. But I'm not boss. They're not boss. But you know, when you come and foreign now, and I'm going to tell you, say, boy, when you come back, you know, I like you send back this for you. All of my things I tell him yes.
Yeah.
What's the truth, man? Me never tell him nothing, no. Me tell him yes. Yes, all these things. Watch it now, no? This demons are boss and me don't know demons. They want to dance now. Wow. And when the man come and dance and you demons. But I still down there wait for the leather suit, man.
Wow.
Party DJ about something. Come here, say, me go there so nice at that time. I'm gonna come back and say, well, when we go, bam, bam, bam. The man say, hey, you think you all use Sammy Dread, you know, Vinta. We are down there, wait, but that's so serious. So me, I know. We say, yes, we know you're wicked.
Ross.
Up here.
Yes. I'm gonna we're gonna have to arrange something else because we need these stories. What I'm gonna try and do, actually, we're not gonna talk the business. I'm gonna tell you off air what I have planned because this history is priceless and we need it. You know, we need it for the culture as you know, people that love the reggae music, as black people or whatever. You know, we just need it, you know. So thank you for sharing it with us. And I'm so grateful.
And where we go and even some more positive things.
Of course.
Watch me. As me say, me and talk, there is so much. That's why I go. Although me a singer, the influence is there. I really say there is so much thing to say, but Mali don't show you.
Yes, definitely, definitely.
So when a guy I try to go on,
yes,
show up.
Yeah,
and I'm putting a different way. Don't tell it. So much thing to say, my friend. So much thing to say.
Definitely, definitely. And as a youth, as a youngster, I have so much things to listen to. So say what you want, say. We have everything we are listening, brethren.
You know, we have a new album coming out.
Yes, I was gonna talk about that because the last song. All right, let me play this song just a little bit, all right, and then we're gonna go into the last one, and then the floor is yours. All right, this is song number 4. We already spoke about it, but a tune when him "Walk Away From Me," one of the sweetest tune me ever hear. It's on the Bebo record label. I think maybe it might be available on iTunes, but I'll give people them. If anybody asks me for the information, you can buy the tune them and rev it. But yeah, so this is tune number 4. Wicked piece of tune. Listen to this. You walk away from me. You walk away from me. Oh, my darling. Oh, yeah. I said, why did you walk away from me? Walk away from me. I look in your eyes, and the teardrops falling. Oh, girl, misunderstanding sometimes. I remains of all love. You know I love you. You know I need you. But baby, I do. Yes, girl. I said I don't got no time to hang around. It seems like you acting like a clown. I just wait until tomorrow. Tomorrow may never come. Jesus Christ.
Don't make up your mind. Is either right there or
yo, Elder Sammy Dread, that tune there.
I love
bad.
Would I came for myself to love you? Would I came for myself? So make up your mind.
You see, one of the main reasons why, especially with you, I'm trying to play the music, couple. It's not that many, but couple tune them because we want the soul man hear the bad song them, so they can cut some different Sammy Dread. You see,
Go ahead.
The catalog deep, and I cannot do it. I cannot do it justice. your catalog deep with some bad song, some nice tune. So M16, yes, can cut a boy throat, but that tune right there, sir, when you want to nice up the woman them in the dance, that is what you play.
That's for the ladies.
Yes.
Ladies, man.
But
ladies.
Better than any Beres Aman Sanchez, we the wonder, and them they are my singer, but me say, them junior, but.
Hurry.
Definitely.
Long time too. And you
Definitely.
know, foundation.
Foundation. All right. So we don't have that much left, so I'm going to play this one, and this one I'd like you to tell me and us everything about this and what you have coming in the future, and we eagerly await some more Sammy Dread, because I like to say this. I'm not in the business of telling a man how bad him was because, you know, threw him gone and left. No.
I respect that, man. Tell her that one. That's everything. Respect for you up there. You know, if you said nothing, I know the talk.
There you go. So my thing is to say that Sammy Dread was bad, Sammy Dread is bad, and it will be bad today. So I don't have any stripe we can put by you on any honors apart from what we're doing here today. But this is the best I can do. And I really hope that the rest of people out there, especially the music heads, especially the people that control something, don't wait till this man pass and gone before you put something on him. All Jamaica, them should have called you back a long time ago and just honor of merit or something. Me say that. So I hope.
Respect with an aspect.
Yo, I'm saying that at the bottom of me, I say so. See it?
Believe you, man.
Yeah.
Candyman, right now, I some real thing you talk, man.
Yeah, yeah.
And that's why I'm telling because you don't have to get for your beat. Me not give you no jingles yet.
Not yet, but we were talking about, you know, let me say this. Me not hungry for all, because it's my honor to talk to you, so I wouldn't ask you, because if you ask me, I cannot pay for a Sammy Dread jingles even. I can't even pay for you to cough on you know, send me a message with a cough on it, because you're so big in on this thing. And your music helped shape my life, and I'd say millions of others, because it's not one or two people that know Sammy Dread music. It's millions of people. So I can't never say, yo, Sammy Dread, I beg you, I jingles, and how much for your dub plate, and me have no money, and can you do me this? I can't do that, because £1 million not do it, star. £1 million too cheap for Sammy Dread, in my opinion. See it? So, you know, Godfather, anything is, you know, I'm just grateful to even, you know, just be talking to you like this. So, you know, anything else on my birthday, see it?
A birthday?
No, it's not my birthday, but if anything else would be like a birthday gift for me, because blessings, see it?
There is a birthday.
Yeah.
Ask me the question.
All right, boom. Okay, so I'm gonna play the last tune, and then you please tell us everything about this, because I'm sure this is one of the more recent ones. Even though it sounds so bad, it sounds like it Vice in a 1981, but it's not. But so we're gonna roll with this one, and yeah, ladies and gentlemen, this is the living legend that is Sammy Dread, and you need to listen these lyrics, because these lyrics mean everything about, you know, in terms of what we've been going through recently. This tune speaks to all of that. So this is the living legend that is Sammy Dread. Squeeze, Candyman.
I heard her crying in the wilderness. I heard that sound, it's a mournful sound. I heard her crying in the wilderness. I heard that sound, it's a mournful sound. Mother is crying, the people. Mother is crying too, the people. My sister is lonely, the people. And my brother is lonely too, the people. Cause every other day, them shoot another black man
Cause mental slavery in a Armageddon town. They try to hold I down, want to take time and crown. I heard a guy in the wilderness. I heard a sound, it's a mournful sound. I heard a cry in the wilderness. I heard a sound, it's a mournful sound. The people, all kind of people, the people, even poor people. Yeah. Hey!
The living legend that is Sammy Dreadlocks. So please tell us about this song and what you have going on from this point onwards. Please, sir, the floor is yours.
All right. If I tell you, I'm going to give a history on this. Short history.
Please.
Well, you know the little thing we're going with the police and...
Yeah, well, go on over. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
When I sing this song, you know, I never really had checked the song on that moment, you know. The song sing, and when this thing break out, I look at my daughter and say, "What? Look at this. You see what I just sing?" And she said, "Why?" I'm explain. Me say, "You know, just hear me sing." I said, "I heard a cry in the wilderness." Yeah. Said, "This tune not gonna be a big tune." She said, "Why?" I said, "Listen, why? Mother sending kids go out there and get shot down. When they call the mother cry.
Yeah.
Father ball.
Yeah.
It's to everybody.
The people.
The people. So when I was doing it, I have a nice little friend, the guy we here I see there, Rasativa.
See,
He's my brother, he's a poet. Good brother of mine. So when I sing the tune, I sing the song straight through before, you know. But when I sing it, I said, no, this song want this, because I started singing it and said, I was saying his lyrics before he even do it, you know.
Yes. And
when I do it, it was just like how you hearing it before he even do it. So I said to myself, no, that's not my part of the tune. It's this. I'm going to say, my daughter, I'm going to voice my part, sing it and make him voice. Just give him the direction, what I want him to do. And he just connect.
Yes. I mean, I would play the whole song, but time does not permit. We have like 3 minutes left.
All right.
So, but can we, I mean, for the sake of the people that are watching now and for the future, is that on any of the streaming platforms like your iTunes and them sitting there, or not yet, or is it coming out in the album?
No, the single is releasing on the 17th of July.
Yes.
So you know you're gonna have it on iTunes.
Yes.
Spotify. You know all this little.
Yeah,
have it, you know. Cause you know all Sammy do is sing, you know. Me don't go through this them and thing.
Yes.
So it gonna be there, and the album, this as I was telling you.
Yeah.
All the album, this influence is from my daughter still.
Yes, thank you.
The album is an influence from my daughter.
Yes.
Because what happened, I'll be in my room and she have a rhythm, wherever she get this rhythm, and she just send it to my message and said, "Dad, listen." And I listen, I said, "Come around here." And we make so this album inspiration by she.
Yes, lovely.
Yeah.
That's amazing, because like I said, how you've influenced millions.
Yeah.
You know, you're getting influence from your seed. That's amazing, from your daughter. That's amazing.
And because I could say this album under the coronavirus lockdown.
Yes.
And my daughter said, "No, you ain't going nowhere. Right here.
Boom.
I just do the album, and I have a lot of tune for you."
Wow. 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 All right, Godfather Sammy Dread. So we're gonna be kicked out of here. in a minute or so. So I just again want to express my extreme gratitude to you for coming on this forum, to sharing your memories and your history and your knowledge with us. And we're definitely, I'm going to do my very best to, we're going to link up still, because I need some more of this, and we're going to make something extra, because we, the people, need this history. See it?
More in the dark, like me.
Definitely, because you're a walking library, and like I said, I'm not trying to have you not being appreciated for exactly what you've done for the game. Like I said, Sound System Culture owes you a huge debt, because every single Sound Clash ever have your throne in it. So I just want to say thank you, and I salute you. And boom. And I also want to thank Powerman, because it was Powerman who made the link.
All right.
Yes. So,
all right.
Godfather Powerman, Godfather Sammy Dread.
You're done.
Big up, star.
Don't know. Greetings to all my listeners.
Yes.
And all Candyman listeners who all over the world, from Jamaica, Canada, all over the place, New York, New Jersey, the whole world. Africa.
Yes, sir.
And the world Candyman run. Lord of mercy. Lord of mercy. Bad boy fire M16. Policeman a fire AK-47, but Candyman. Boys.
Bop. Yo, I've got to lock off now because it's about to cut off. So yeah, respect, love, see it. I will definitely off the air. All right, boom.